Hello, this is Learnify, a project made to help students by giving them roadmaps for their favorite topics. This has happened to me so many times, and I have also seen so many people suffer from the same problem. They don't know how to get started with something they want to learn, like be it web development or be it DSA data structures and any other topic they struggle to figure out how to start learning it. So, this can be solved by giving them simple roadmaps which they can follow and master any topic that they want. So I am Abhishek Anand and Learnify is made by our team and our team is I am Abhishek Anand and I have worked for the UI and the front end part. We have Prakhar Khandelwal who worked for the UI and the back end, Abhishek Mishra for the database and Priyanshu Shankar for making React components. First of all, this is our landing page which shows you a simple process like how can we choose a course and get a roadmap for this. Let's get started with it. First, we can sign up for it. Let's type my username. My username is Abhishek. So I have created a new account by Abhishek and this is our dashboard and we can see there is nothing here because we need to start a course first. So first of all, we will click on start a course and as you can see, we have opened the all courses tabs where we have four courses for now, which is basics of web development, backend with Node.js and Mongo, introduction to JavaScript and coding using DSA using C++ and C. So let's start, for example, with any of them like basics of web development. Like I want to learn basics of web development and this is very basic. Like you can see it is HTML and CSS only. So we will start. I will click on yes. And as you can see, it is loading right now and we have got the basics of web development roadmap which has 17 tasks. First, we will scroll and we can see that the chapter 1 is learn about HTML and its purpose. What is HTML? How HTML works in web servers? So we need to learn it from somewhere. We just get a direction from our roadmap which can be very helpful. So like we completed it, so we can click on complete and move on to the next one. Next one is basic HTML structure, which is the doc type HTML like HTML, head tags, body tags, basic simple HTML. We complete and we learn about H1 tag to H6 tags, P tags, this. And as you can see, like we are on four anchor tags, create hyperlinks using this. And as you can see, like we have 17 of them. So if we go to the dashboard now, as we can see that it has noted that we have completed 3 by 17 tasks and it tells us to complete a task basics of web development and anchor tags is our next progress. So we click on complete and we open it again. 3 by 17, as you can see, we can complete it and we can start any other courses too. So let's, for example, I start this introduction to JavaScript. Click on yes. And as we can see, introduction to JavaScript completed 0 by 9 tasks. So if I do like say, suppose I do everything of it. So let's suppose we completed it. When we go back, as we can see on the dashboard, it is said completed 9 by 9 tasks. But we have not completed our basics of web development one, so it is giving us this. So if we go and complete this too, so as we can see, we have completed all 17 of our chapters and we have learned basic of HTML and CSS. So if you go back to the dashboard, as you can see, it says congratulations, you have completed all of your tasks, which means that we have completed all of our tasks and we can start any other course too. Like as you can see, we have four courses here and we have also the your courses tab which tells about which courses I have started. Like I have started only two of them and I have completed all that. So we can see it is completed here. As we can see that we are logged in, so I am opening it on another tab. Let's have a look at our landing page too. This is our choose courses, get your roadmap, meet our team, and this is our simple footer. So talking about our stack which we used for this, we have used React JS for the front end and also I have used for Tailwind CSS for the styling of it. For the backend, we have used Supabase as our backend and as a server. Team like Prakhar Khandelo and Abhishek Mishra has done the backend stuff where they have made databases for it and connected it through the front end. And me, Abhishek Anand and Priyanshu Shankar has done the front end of the stuff and me and Prakhar Khandelwal has made the UI which we have used Figma for. And we have also used Vercel to deploy as you can see in the domain name. For the code of it, if we click on the code button, we can see that we have the GitHub repository of it. While making Learnify, it has been such a good experience. Like, I have learned so much. I have coded like 6 to 7 hours daily, and which I have never done before. And our team has also really worked hard for it, and we have also learned many more things. And we are proud of making this a fully functional website never made before. So it is a achievement for us. Talking about the future of our Learnify, as we can go to our dashboard, we have a calendar coming soon, which means that we will have a streak type of option which says that how many days we have completed our topics. So which we can see that we have 5 day streak, 10 day streak, like that. And we will be making a leaderboard and a experience system, like you can see. Also, as we can see, there are a certain loading time for this, so we are trying to minimize it, and we are planning to use CDN for this, and we will also add more courses to it so we can cover more audience for it. This has been Learnify, and I am Abhishek Anand. Thank you for watching this video.